Welcome to HalDIY Reviews. We're taking a quick look at the RIDGID 18V Brushless 2-tool combo kit. The standout feature, as I see it, is RIDGID offers a lifetime free parts and service agreement if you register the tools, and that includes batteries. There are operator manuals for each tool, the charger, and the 4 and 2 amp hour batteries. The 2-speed hammer drill has 22 torque settings, plus drill and hammer. The tools won't stand up without a battery installed. The 3-speed impact driver shown with 2 amp hour battery has 1/4 inch hex spring-loaded chuck. There are 2 spring clip bit holders and 2 belt hangers that can attach to the base of the tools. Also, there's a 4 amp hour battery, the charger, and an auxiliary handle that attaches left or right on the hammer drill for stronger control. And finally, I really like the rugged soft side carry case to hold everything together. Let's go see what they do. I need to mount a landscape lighting transformer. The hammer drill made a 5/32 hole 4 inches deep in stone facing and poured concrete wall in about 20 seconds. Brushless tools are way more powerful than older battery models. The fine ratchet chuck makes it easy to get a tight grip on the bit. Next, I switch to a lower torque driver mode to set the concrete screw. Now I can hang the transformer so I can mark the position for a lower screw. Install that the same way for the finished job. Select the speed setting of the impact driver with a button on the base. Take the bit out of the handy clip and push it into the spring-loaded collet for a tight grip. Pull the collet forward and the spring pushes the bit out. On low power, it drives screws through plastic into wood without stripping the threads. I could not find a spec for the torque level on Power 1 or Power 2. On high power, the impact driver is rated for 2,300 inch-pounds, 190 foot-pounds. That's enough to snug up the hitch pins on my tiller. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel to help others. Subscribe if you would like to see what else we may be doing.